Ontario Motor Sales. Thanks so much for taking a closer look at our 2015 GMC Canyon. This is a four-wheel drive crew cab. It has the 3.6 liter V6 engine with the addition of the HD trailering package. So if you have items that you need to tow, this is the perfect truck to do it. Easy access to the cargo area with the rear bumper step, as well as the hand grip up top. In the cab, you do have 4 cargo tie downs with the option of adding more. It rides on 17-inch aluminum wheels. It does have remote start, which will be perfect for a day like today. Also, the addition of fog lights up front are extremely helpful in poor weather. We do have a fair bit of space in the rear for passengers, for legroom, as well as headspace. You have the drop-down center console there for cup holders if you don't have the third passenger. Front seat, we have Bluetooth, so you can make hands-free calls, which you can access right on your steering wheel. On your 8-inch color touch screen, you will have access to your phone as well as audio, with the ability to connect with OnStar for a Wi-Fi hotspot. You do get the rear camera that gives you a nice clear view of behind your truck. And kilometers on this Canyon are 113,178. So that's a quick look at our 2015 GMC Canyon. This is an off-lease vehicle with one owner, clean Carfax, no previous accidents or incidents to report. It is certified pre-owned, so it comes with the 3-month, 5,000 kilometer warranty. It has had a 176-point inspection, so it comes to you fully reconditioned, along with 4 complimentary oil changes on us that you receive on delivery. The great thing about the Canyon is that it drives and maneuvers extremely well in parking spots. It's not as bulky as a full-size truck, so it's great when you're trying to get into parking spaces. If you'd like more information on this Canyon, please give us a call, 905-725-6501. You can also text us at that number and come take the Canyon for a test drive. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great